Hey guys, how to create custom AI assistant using Poe AI. Head over to poe.com and create an account, right? You can use Google or Apple to sign up. Next, just go ahead and, start your journey, right? And you can basically find right here the apps that are subscribed to Poe, right? And you can use a bot like GPT-4 Mini, Command R, and many more, right? So you can search for all bots and use them, right? So if you chose the base model like Cloud, uh, GPT-4, or other AI models, depending on your needs, and set a unique personality, tone, and response style for your assistant, right? That will take a process, right? Define commands and rules. Teach it specific tasks by adding structured prompts or guidelines. And chat with your bot. Tweak settings and uh, improve response, and deploy your AI for personal use or share it with others. Pro tip: experiment with different prompts to fine tune its intelligence. And I can use one example of a prompt, right? Let's say, yeah, prompt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use an example, right? Like, you are a travel assistant specializing, or yeah, specializing in budget friendly trips, right? And suggest affordable destinations, cheap flights, and free activities worldwide, right? And basically refine those answers, right? If you like what you see, or if you want to modify something, you can just type it and have the conversation with the bot, and that bot will mold into becoming what so-called perfect AI assistant. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.